A lot of people have YouTube channels, but they don't know the right things to get when it comes to monetizing their YouTube channel. If you are starting out on YouTube as a content creator and your main aim is to monetize your channel, then the information I'll be sharing in this video is for you. Many YouTubers wait to reach the monetization stage before thinking about important documents for monetization. Now imagine working so hard to get 1,000 subscribers and reaching your 4,000 watch hours, only for you to get stuck along the way because you don't have the right document to process your payment setup. This is MONETIZED TV. Thank you so much for tuning in. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscribe button below. The first document you need is your tax identification number, also known as TIN. This is a unique number given to individuals and businesses for tax purposes. YouTube is an international company, and so they will require your tax details to determine how much tax will be deducted from whatever you are earning. So tax identification number, known as TIN, is a requirement for YouTube monetization. Without your tax identification number, you won't be able to complete your Google AdSense tax form, and Google will deduct up to about 30% of whatever you are earning. This is what a tax identification form looks like. So many people want to set up their channel, but they don't know where or how to get their tax identification. So if you want to get your tax identification number, it's not difficult at all. All you need to do is to go to your State Board of Internal Revenue and they will give you a form to fill. To get the TIN number does not take up to 30 minutes to be generated. Although they said the certificate is free, but to generate the TIN number, you have to pay about 3,000 Naira or so. I think mine, I gave 3,000 Naira, and I also gave them my email address and they sent it to my email address. So after that, you download it and keep it safe because Google AdSense will ask for that when it is time for your payment setup. And please, if you must know, you don't have to travel to your own particular state before you can get your TIN. Any place you are, any state you find yourself, you can get your TIN. Just walk to any of the State Board of Internal Revenue and tell them that you want to get your personal TIN. So it will be generated for you. Another thing to note is this: use your real names that reflect on your bank account. Use it for your TIN, your tax identification number. The second document that you need is to create or open a domiciliary account or dollar account that allows you to receive foreign currencies. It's not as if YouTube cannot pay you in your local currency, but the thing is that your local bank will convert whatever YouTube pays you into your local currency at a very low rate. And this means you could lose a lot of money due to poor exchange rates in your country. So to open a DOM account or a domiciliary account, all you need to do is to go to any bank of your choice and tell them you want to open a domiciliary account. The bank will tell you the necessary information you need to provide for them in order for them to set up the dollar account for you. Some banks accept initial deposits, while some banks allow you to open this dollar account with zero balance. So once your account is ready, you will also keep it safe and wait for your payment setup. So you don't have to wait until you reach the monetization stage before you get your TIN and before you open your foreign account. Start the process immediately so that you don't face any delay. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and also don't forget to like, comment, and share this video so that this information can get to as many people as possible.